Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can open an account on RIA Money Transfer app. So let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite browser on your PC and search for RIA Money. You'll see a bunch of search results, but make sure to click on the first link, which is the official RIA website. Once you're on the website, you'll be greeted with RIA Money's stunning interface. It's clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Now, at the top right of the page, you'll see a register button. Go ahead and click on that to begin your registration. From the drop-down menu, you'll be asked to select your country of residence. For this video, I'm selecting United States, but you can choose any country that applies to you. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address and phone number. Once you've filled in both fields, click Continue. On the next screen, you'll need to choose your country code from the list. Since my country isn't listed, I'm going to select another country code for this example. Then, enter your phone number and click Continue. RIA will send you a one-time password OP to verify your identity. Just check your email or phone for the OP, enter it in the field provided, and you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully registered on RIA Money Transfer, and that's it, you are done.